Imagine writing a full blog post, YouTube script, Instagram caption, or even a marketing email in less than 60 seconds. Sounds impossible? Well, with Jasper AI, thousands of creators are doing exactly that every day. In this video, I'll show you how to log in to Jasper AI and create professional content in just a few clicks. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a content creator, blogger, marketer, or someone who wants to save time writing content, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to use Jasper AI to write high quality content quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the Jasper AI website. Click on the Start Free Trial or Login button. If you're a new user, create an account using your Google account or email address. After signing up, verify your email if required and log in to your Jasper dashboard. Once you're inside, you'll see a clean dashboard with multiple AI writing tools. Now click on Create Content. You'll find different templates such as blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, product descriptions, marketing emails. For this example, let's create a YouTube script. Select YouTube script template. Now enter your topic. For example, how to make money online with AI. Next, describe what you want Jasper AI to write. The more details you provide, the better the output will be. Click Generate Content. Within a few seconds, Jasper AI will create a complete draft for you. Here's a pro tip. Don't use very short prompts. Instead of writing, write about AI. Write a beginner-friendly YouTube script explaining how AI tools help creators save time and increase productivity. This will give you much better and more professional content. And that's how easy it is to write content with Jasper AI. From blogs and scripts to social media posts, Jasper AI can help you create content faster and save hours of work every week. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.